Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we present our dot matrix marking machine, a symbol of precision and efficiency in industrial marking. Observe as our machine effortlessly inscribes a data matrix and serial number on a metal plate. Each mark is clear, lasting impressions that withstand the test of time. Watch as it skillfully etches a detailed logo onto a metal surface, showcasing its capability to handle intricate designs with ease. Equipped with advanced features, our dot matrix marking machine is an ideal choice for various industrial applications. For a marking solution that goes beyond your expectations, choose